In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade cryptocurrency on the spot market using the Binance mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, Binance offers a user-friendly mobile platform that makes trading straightforward and accessible. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, ensure you have the Binance app installed on your mobile device. This app will be your gateway to managing and trading cryptocurrencies on the go. Once you've got the app open, navigate to the bottom menu and tap on Trade. Here you will see different trading options. We are interested in the spot market for this tutorial. The spot market allows you to trade cryptocurrencies in real time, directly swapping one digital asset for another at current prices. Now that you are in the spot trading area, the next step is to select a crypto pair. A crypto pair represents the two currencies you will be trading. For example, a popular pair you might trade is BTC USDT, which means you are trading Bitcoin against the US dollar Tether. To choose your desired pair, look for the search bar or list of pairs and find the one you want to trade. With a pair selected, it's time to make a trading decision. Do you want to buy or sell? If you predict the value of a cryptocurrency will rise, you can buy now and sell later for a profit. Conversely, if you think the value will fall, you might consider selling now if you already own it with the intention to buy it back cheaper. Tap on either the buy or sell button based on your strategy and market analysis. Remember that trading involves risk, so it's wise to do your research or consult with financial advisors if you're unsure. Finally, after deciding on your action, whether buying or selling, it's time to confirm your trade. Once you tap the buy or sell button, you'll need to review the details of your order. Make sure everything looks correct, including the amount and the price you intend to trade at. If all is in order, confirm the trade by tapping the corresponding button to complete the process. Your trade will be executed according to current market conditions or the specific limits you've set. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to trading cryptocurrencies on the Binance mobile app. With practice, you'll get more comfortable navigating the app and analyzing the market to make informed trades. Always stay updated with the latest market trends and news to make the best trading decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.